Once again, students, welcome to my channel. And in our last lecture, we studied about the group number 17 elements. In this lecture, also, we studied about the group number 17 elements. Okay, student. So, group number 17 elements, we know that which elements are present in group number 17: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Okay, now let's talk about the oxidizing power of group number 17 elements. Oxidizing power. So in this group number 17 element, fluorine is the smallest element, so it possesses the highest oxidizing power compared to the other element present into the same group. Fluorine, it is the smallest element and it also possesses the high electronegativity. So due to these two reasons, it possesses the highest oxidizing power compared to the rest element into the same group. Next, fluorine oxidizes other elements of group 17. How? Fluorine, student, on its reactions with the other element like chloride, bromide and iodide, where X minus is chloride, bromide or iodide. So that gives what? That gives 2F minus plus. Here this 2X minus converted to X2, यानी कि फ्लोरीन का ये जो रहा हमारा फ्लोरीन का यहाँ से यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर क्या हुआ है दिखाई दे रहा है 0 to -1, यानी कि रिडक्शन हुआ और रिडक्शन हुआ तो वो क्या होगा स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. सो द फ्लोरीन कैन ऑक्सीडाइज द अदर एलिमेंट क्लोराइड ब्रोमाइड और आयोडाइड को वो क्या कर सकता है ऑक्सीडाइज कर सकता है. ओके, सिमिलरली क्लोरीन अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे दूसरा कोई भी ले लेते हैं जैसे कि हम लोग ले लेते हैं क्लोरीन. सो द क्लोरीन कैन ऑक्सीडाइज द ब्रोमाइड एंड आयोडाइड टू ब्रोमाइड और आयोडाइड को ये किस में कन्वर्ट कर डालेगा क्लोरीन तो ये कन्वर्ट कर डालेगा ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन. किस में कन्वर्ट करेगा ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन. सिमिलरली फ्लोरीन oxidizes water to oxygen. जैसे कि हम लोग रिएक्शन लिखते हैं फ्लोरीन on its reactions with water, so that gives what? That gives simple 4 hydrogen 4 fluorine, so that gives 4H plus 4F minus and oxygen is released during the reaction. So fluorine oxidizes water to oxygen. Okay, if the same reaction that take place with the group number 17 element, other element present into the same group, तो उसमें क्या होगा? Okay, let us see. तो जैसे कि other elements है present in group number 17, जैसे कि हम लोग ले लेते हैं हेलोजन और यहाँ पे हेलोजन X का मतलब क्या हो सकता है क्लोरीन ब्रोमीन ये सब हो सकता है ऑन इट्स रिएक्शंस विथ वाटर. अगर वाटर के साथ रिएक्शन करेंगे तो क्या मिलता जाएगा तो वाटर के साथ जैसे हम लोग रिएक्शन करेंगे हाइड्रोजन और हेलोजन मिलेगा हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड HOX मिल जाएगा. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ HOX? HOX is called hypohalous acid. If X is equals to Cr, then we can say that hypochlorous acid is obtained, and if X is equals to Br, then hypobromous acid is obtained during the reaction. Okay, तो यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन मिलेगा नहीं. Okay, if the same type of the reaction that take place with आयोडीन. ओके, तो आयोडीन के साथ रिएक्शन होगा तो आयोडीन ऑन इट्स रिएक्शंस विद द वाटर। तो ये जो रिएक्शन है, तो आयोडीन के साथ रिएक्शन कैसा होता जाएगा, बिल्कुल उल्टा हो जाएगा विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फ्लोरीन। तो इसका बिल्कुल उल्टा रिएक्शन हो जाएगा। व्हाई? बिकॉज सिंपल, ड्यू टू द लेस रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ आयोडीन, ड्यू टू द लेस रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ आयोडीन, तो उल्टा रिएक्शन हो जाएगा। तो यानी कि 4H प्लस on its reactions with the iodide in presence of oxygen, that gives what? So that gives simple, यहाँ से क्या मिल जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा iodine plus 2 moles of H2O. So it shows which type of the reaction? So it shows completely reverse reaction with respect to fluorine. It shows completely reverse reactions with respect to this fluorine. Okay, now next is ग्रुप नंबर 17 एलिमेंट्स। ग्रुप नंबर 17 के एलिमेंट्स जो होते हैं वो किसके साथ रिएक्शन करते हैं, तो सी द रिएक्टिविटीज ऑफ ग्रुप नंबर 17 एलिमेंट। तो रिएक्टिविटी टुवर्ड्स हाइड्रोजन, रिएक्टिविटी टुवर्ड्स हाइड्रोजन। तो ग्रुप नंबर 17 के जो एलिमेंट होते हैं, फर्स्ट हम लोग देखते हैं ग्रुप नंबर 17 के एलिमेंट्स होते हैं ऑन इट्स रिएक्शंस विद द हाइड्रोजन। हाइड्रोजन के साथ जैसे ही वो रिएक्शन करेंगे, ग्रुप नंबर 17 के एलिमेंट्स हम X2 से दिखाते हैं, तो वो क्या देंगे, हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड दे देंगे। किस किस टाइप के हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड मिलेंगे, लाइक एग्जाम्पल HF, HCl, HBr and HI. Again, which type of the hydrogen halides are obtained? HF, HCl, HBr and HI. Okay, now see the acid strength. First of all, let us see the acid strength order in the hydrides of group number 17 element. So as we move from HF to HCl, HCl to HBr and HBr to HI, साइज हमारा क्या होगा, इंक्रीज होगा। और साइज अगर हमारा इंक्रीज होगा तो बॉन्ड लेंथ जो है वो बॉन्ड लेंथ भी इंक्रीज होगा। बॉन्ड लेंथ इंक्रीज होगा यानी कि HF की कंपैरिजन में HI जो है वो इजीली H प्लस डोनेट करेगा, और H प्लस डोनेट करेगा तो एसिड स्ट्रेंथ क्या होगा, इंक्रीज। तो हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे इंक्रीजेस। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर इज थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी। थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी, थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी। तो थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी क्या हो जाएगा, सिंपल सी बात है, साइज इंक्रीज होगा, थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी डिक्रीजेस। ओके, आफ्टर दैट रिड्यूसिंग पावर। ओके, रिड्यूसिंग पावर। तो रिड्यूसिंग पावर क्या होता जाएगा, फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ द हाइड्राइड ऑफ ग्रुप नंबर 17 एलिमेंट्स, रिड्यूसिंग पावर। तो रिड्यूसिंग पावर ऑफ द ग्रुप नंबर 17 एलिमेंट, रिड्यूसिंग पावर इज कंप्लीटली इनवर्ट ऑफ थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी। तो ये रिड्यूसिंग पावर क्या होता जाएगा, इफ दिस इज डिक्रीज, सो द रिड्यूसिंग पावर increases. And the last one is acid strength, thermal stability, reducing power and bond dissociation enthalpy. Bond dissociation enthalpy. So as we move from HF to HCl, HCl to HBr and HBr to HI, the value of bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. It means this HF possesses the highest value of bond dissociation enthalpy. Why? Due to the formations of hydrogen bond. Due to formation of hydrogen bond. Okay, now next student is, this is the reactivity of group number 17 element with the hydrogen. Now the next point is the reactivity of group number 17 element with oxygen. With oxygen. reactivity towards oxygen. First of all, group number 17 एलिमेंट्स, ग्रुप नंबर 17 के एलिमेंट्स जो होंगे उसमें सबसे पहले हम लोग बात करेंगे ये रिएक्टिविटी टुवर्ड्स द ऑक्सीजन। तो रिएक्टिविटी टुवर्ड्स ऑक्सीजन में वो क्या फॉर्म करेंगे कि सिंपल सी बात है, ग्रुप नंबर 17 के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं ऑन इट्स रिएक्शंस विद द ऑक्सीजन फॉर्म द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ ऑक्साइड्स। जैसे कि सबसे पहले हम लोग बात करेंगे ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ फ्लोरीन, oxides of fluorine. So fluorine form two type of the oxide, O2F2 and OF2. Both are act as fluorinating agent. Both are act as fluorinating agent. It means what? It means the species in which the active fluoride is present. It's called fluorinating agent. Out of this two, this OF2 is thermally stable. This OF2 is thermally stable. So the oxides of fluorine form the two type of the oxides. Okay. Now the next one is the oxides of chlorine. Oxides of chlorine. Chlorine form Cl2O, ClO2, Cl2O6 and Cl2O7 type of oxide. Once again, this type of the chlorine on its reactions with the oxygen form the Cl2O, ClO2, Cl2O6 and Cl2 type of the oxides, and out of this the Cl2O is act as a bleaching agent. This is act as bleaching agent for the paper pulp, for pulp and textile industries, for pulp and textile industries. Okay, now the next one is fluorine, chlorine, and the next one is the oxides of bromine. So the bromine on its reactions with the oxygen form the Br2O, BrO2 type of oxide, Br2O and BrO2 type of oxides. Last one is oxides of iodine. In this oxides of the iodine on its reactions with the oxygen form the oxides of iodine like I2O4, I2O5 and I2O7. Out of this I2O5 is act as a strong oxidizing agent. I2O5 is act as strong oxidizing agent. So simple. This is the oxides of group number 17 element. This is the oxides of group number 17 elements. Now the reactivity towards metal. Reactivity towards metal. Reactivity towards metal. So the group number 17 element on its reactions with the metal. Group number 17 elements on its reactions with the metal form metallic halide. Form metallic halide. Okay. Example हमारे हो सकते हैं MF, MCl, MBr एंड Mi. ओके, जैसे कि सोडियम मेटल के साथ रिएक्ट करता है क्लोरीन तो फॉर्म करेगा NaCl, KCl, KBr ऐसे. ओके, इन दिस metallic halide first is ionic character. This is important, student. Ionic character. So as we move from MF to Mi, ionic character increases. ओके, ionic character हमारा क्या होता जाएगा जैसे ही हम लोग एज वी मूव फ्रॉम MF to Mi, आयोनिक कैरेक्टर हमारा क्या होता जाएगा, आयोनिक कैरेक्टर डिक्रीज होता जाएगा। सिंपल सी बात है, क्यों डिक्रीज होता जाएगा, फ्लोरीन का साइज क्या है, स्मॉल है, तो ये फ्लोरीन का साइज स्मॉल होता है, इसका साइज क्या होता है, बिग होता है। जितना साइज जो है एनायन का वो हमारा स्मॉल होता जाएगा, तो ये आयोनिक कैरेक्टर जो होगा वो क्या होता जाएगा, हाई होता जाएगा। यहाँ पे जो एनायन का साइज बिगर होता जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे हमारा आयोनिक कैरेक्टर डिक्रीज होता जाएगा। नेक्स्ट इज कोवेलेंट नेचर। नेक्स्ट इज कोवेलेंट नेचर। तो समझना, जैसे कि हम लोग एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, लेड टेट्राक्लोराइड एंड लेड डाइक्लोराइड। सो द हायर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट containing metal possess the higher covalent nature. Simple, to PbCl4 possess the higher covalent nature compared to PbCl2. वैसे ही SnCl4 possess the higher covalent nature compared to SnCl2 because the oxidation state of the Sn is +4. In SnCl2 oxidation state of Sn is +2, तो यहाँ पे +4 होता है, यहाँ पे +2 होता है, हायर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, तो कोवेलेंट नेचर क्या होता जाएगा, हाई होता जाएगा। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट वन इज द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्लोरीन, द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्लोरीन। ओके, group number 17, which elements are present in group number 17? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Okay, so the student, let's see about the chlorine, and in this chlorine the first is given the preparation of chlorine. So first preparation of the chlorine is given with the help of manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide on its reactions with the 4HCl, on its reaction, this is called manganese dioxide on its reactions with HCl gives what? Simple student, ये 4H on its reactions with the O2 gives 2H2O. बाकी का क्या रहा, Mn, Mn that is going to react with the Cl gives MnCl2, gives MnCl2, and the chlorine gas is released during the reaction. So chlorine is obtained during the reaction, that's why this is called the preparation of chlorine, that's why this is called the preparation of chlorine. And the next is very important, is called Dacon's process for the preparation of chlorine gas. Dacon's preparation, simple, Dacon's preparation, तो Dacon's preparation also take place in a presence of, ये जो Dacon's preparations है, तो Dacon preparation में भी हम लोग किसके साथ रिएक्शन करेंगे, सिंपल ऑक्सीजन ऑन इट्स रिएक्शन विथ 4 moles of HCl in a presence of cuprous chloride at a 723 Kelvin temperature. तो 4 हाइड्रोजन 2 ऑक्सीजन gives 2H2O plus chlorine gas is obtained during the reaction. As chlorine gas is obtained during the reaction, this process is called the preparation of chlorine, and this is a very important process, is called Dacon process. It's called Dacon process. Now the physical properties of chlorine gas. Physical properties of chlorine gas. Physical properties of chlorine gas. तो chlorine gas is greenish yellow color gas. Remember the color of this chlorine, greenish yellow color gas. Okay, it is simple, heavier than air. It is heavier than air. Possess which type of the smell? Possess pungent smell. It possesses which type of the smell? So it possesses the pungent smell, and it is also, simple student, it is also soluble in water, and it is soluble in water, and it is act as suffocating agent. It means if the percentage proportion of the chlorine gas is higher, it creates problem in breathing. So it is called suffocating agent. It's called suffocating agent. Now, chemical reactions of chlorine. So first chemical reaction of chlorine. Chemical reaction of chlorine. First reaction with metal. First one is the reaction with metal. So the student, chemical reaction with metal. Chemical reaction with chlorine. So first of all, the reaction with metal. Reaction with metal. So chlorine on its reactions with the metal, like sodium, on its reactions with the chlorine form 2NaCl. Magnesium on its reactions with the chlorine form what, student? It form MgCl2. Similarly, aluminium on its reactions with the chlorine form aluminium trichloride. It form aluminium trichloride. Similarly, reaction with non-metal. So, non-metal like phosphorus on its reactions with chlorine form what? So, it form PCl3. PCl3 is called phosphorus trichloride. It's called phosphorus trichloride. Okay. How many chlorines are present? 4 3s are 12. So here multiply by 6. Okay. Sulfur on its reactions with the chlorine gives what? Gives sulfur monochloride. Gives what? This is called S2Cl2, sulfur monochloride. Okay. How many chlorine are present? Simple, chlorine 4 2s are 8. So here multiply it by 4. Multiply it by 4. Now the next one is the reaction with reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia NH3. So first reaction, ammonia on its reactions with the excess chlorine gives what? So it gives this NCl3. NCl3, nitrogen trichloride. So it gives what? Nitrogen trichloride, and during the reaction 3 moles of HCl is released. Nitrogen, here Cl, total 6, so 3Cl2. Okay. Next, if we take the ammonia in excess proportion, then that gives what? That gives ammonium chloride. That gives what? Ammonium chloride. And during this reaction, nitrogen is released. During this reaction, nitrogen gas is released. Okay, students, so these two reactions are important if we take the chlorine in excess proportion, then the nitrogen trichloride is obtained. If we take the ammonia in excess proportion, then the ammonium chloride is obtained. The next reaction is reaction of chlorine with alkalis. So simple, student. First of all, chlorine on its reactions with alkalis like NaOH, on its reactions with chlorine. NaOH, here we take the NaOH, which one is hot and concentrated. So the reactions of the NaOH with the hot and concentrated chlorine, simple, that gives what? So that gives NaCl, Na, that is going to react with the Cl plus NaClO3. NaClO3 is called sodium chlorate. It's called sodium chlorate. Here the NaOH on its reactions with the Cl2, that gives NaCl, यानी कि 6 NaOH, that gives 5 plus 1, total 6 Na हो गए. Okay, hydrogen, total 6 hydrogen है. So plus H2O is released during the reaction. Okay, chlorine total 5 plus 1, total 6. So on its reactions with the 3Cl2. So if we take the hot and concentrated NaOH, then the sodium chloride and the sodium chlorate is obtained. But instead of that hot and concentrated, if we take the cold and dilute NaOH, if we take the cold and dilute NaOH, so this type of the cold and dilute NaOH on its reactions with Cl2, that gives what? That gives NaCl plus H2O is released during the reaction. Okay, and the next one is your NaOCl. So NaCl plus NaOCl is obtained, and NaOCl is called sodium hypochlorite. Okay, now the next reaction is chlorine on its reactions with, so the next reaction is with slaked lime. So the chlorine on its reactions with the slaked lime, CaOH twice, on its reactions with the chlorine, that gives what? That gives CaOCl twice. It's called bleaching powder, student. It's called bleaching powder plus CaCl2 is obtained, यानी कि कैल्शियम क्लोराइड मिल जाएगा. And the next is your by removal of 2H2O. So chlorine on its reactions with the slaked lime, this is called slaked lime, that gives what? Bleaching powder. And the next is this type of the chlorine is act as bleaching agent. This one is act as bleaching agent. How it is act as bleaching agent? Simple. Chlorine on its reactions with the water, that gives what? 2 moles of HCl by removal of oxygen. And this type of the oxygen on its reactions with color substance, तो ये जो ऑक्सीजन जो होगा वो कलर सब्सटेंस का जो भी कलर होगा उसे वो डीकलराइज कर लाएगा, तो उसे वो डीकलराइज कर देगा एंड कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द कलरलेस मटेरियल. तो कलर में से ये कलरलेस मटेरियल सब्सटेंस के अंदर कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, तो इसे हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? इट इज कॉल्ड ब्लीचिंग प्रोसेस. And during this reaction chlorine is act as an agent. That's why the chlorine is called bleaching agent. Student.